Hi all, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. This is Ankush. Today we will see four use case of parameter and Tableau. How can we create that? How can we make it a dynamics? So let's get started. Today I have, just give me a minute. Okay. So we have the first case, pick a date. Like pick a date, highlight it. I want, my requirement is that whenever I hit this reference line, I should see this date is activated. Like I want to see this date is activated, other date is not activated. So I wanted to highlight this date. Whenever I pick a date, like let's make it September 1. So September 1 to 5 is activated and other are dishighlighted. So this is the great technique. You can engage your the end user. Hey, say these are the date activated and these are the highlight activated. So the most you can say engage your customer or the end user or your stakeholders. Say, so how can we create this kind of functionality and Tableau? So let's get started. So let's remove this. I'm using the sample superstore data, order date. Sales. So line chart is created. Pick a date. I have already created a parameter. I will show you. I'll give it a pick a date. The data type is my date. Current value, you can choose whatever you want. Okay, that's it, and show your parameter. So I've been selected 1st of September because my data is up to date. Now let's create a calculation. I've been already created a calculation. I will show you how been created. This is the very straightforward, very simple. I'll go. My parameter pick a date should be less than equal to my order date. Okay, so this give me the true or false. This give me the true or false. And don't drag the true or false the filter because this will be filtered out our data. We don't want this. We want to highlight this selected date. So pick your calculated field and drag it onto the colors. See, now true will be the true will give you the selected and the false will be the disabled things. So you can play around with this your requirement. See. And for more reference, you can reference line and drag it on the day of order date. Pick a date, select pick a date, and I want this. Make it this color should be my yellow. Okay. So here you can say that after the reference line, my date is activated, and these are the data. You can see that the more engaging, you can say more engaging for the end user to your data. So this is a more convenient way to highlight this the data. And this is the first use case, and second use case the sales forecast. And I want to create this view side by side. Also very good technique you can show sales and sales forecast by side. So let's create this. I'm using sales and subcategory is here. Sales is here. Okay. So bar chart is created like this as of now. So first you need to create a parameter sales forecast. This is also very straightforward. So on the data type I'm using the float. So this since sale forecast always be the percentage. So I'm using the range. Minimum go to the 100 and maximum also goes to positive 100. Step size will be 0.5. Okay. So I'm using the 70%. You can make it a to 20%, whatever it is as per your requirement. Okay. Sale forecast. So as of now I have set for the 20%. Sales projection, I've already created this calculation. Sale projection says that, alright, I'll show you. If order date should be less than equal to my picket date, we have already created that first parameter in first case. Okay, then my sales, not sale forecast, then my sales. Else sales into, we are multiplying this 1 plus my sales forecast. Sales forecast, we have created this parameter. Just the error not mix aggregate on aggregate. Okay. So I'm using options. I'm not going to put this in of order date, ticket date, this is my date. I guess sales forecast I need to, yeah, I was dragging the wrong calculation. That's it, the problem. Okay. Sales projection, we have just and drag it onto the sales. See. Measurement in the colors, so you can see that the standard, make it a little bit light. Sale projection will be my green. Sales will be my. This is the one way you can show your sales or sell any of the sales forecast side by side. Let's move to the third parameter use case. Okay, so this use case says that I want to create a line chart and I want to use the forecast. Whenever I hit this reference line, the forecast should start from here. Like, I don't want to forecast to start here, here, or here. Whenever I place this reference line, so what does it mean? I place the reference line. I will show you. So whenever a pick date is started from, the sales forecast should give me the forecast from here. Okay. So how can we create this? So line chart is very straightforward. You can create this, make it drag it order date in column, and sales I'm using for the sales should be, let me show you. Sales is running total. Okay. Sales is running total, and I will be using this pick a date. We have already created this parameter pick a date. Sale forecast we have just created in second scenario, and the pick a date we have created in the first scenario. Drag and drop in this as we done it in this second scenario. Drag it into the values and reference line and go to this compute using and make it an order date. As soon as select the order date, it will give you this kind of view. Due to limitation of time, I cannot show you, but let me try this. Order date, date to day, sales, there is my sales. What we want running line chart, we want the running total. Okay, this give me the running total line. And where is my sales forecast? I'll drag it reference line, make it order date, pick a date. We have been pick a date like, I'll show you the level as well as this date has been selected, and I want my forecast to start from here. Sale projection we have already created. Here is okay. Make sure go to the compute user or compute using, and make sure you should do the running total as soon as click the running total, that give me the forecast starting from this reference line. Okay. I will show you the fourth and the final dynamic sorting way. So let's create this. I'm using subcategory sales. Average of discount. Entire view. Okay. What does it by the dynamic view? Like, this is the manual way which I am doing. Like, I want to use for the sorting for the sales, descending to ascending. Okay. So I need to go for each of the bar, and I have to do it the one by one. What if I'm giving you the end user functionality? If anybody can select any of the chart, then give you the filter any of the chart, it sort automatically as per this selection. Let's create this. So we have already created a view. Dynamic sorting, we have been created the parameter, make it a name sort by string and select the value which we have already created in column sales, profit, discount, sales, profit and discount. Okay, and the data type should be the string. Make it okay. Show your parameter and make it a single value list so we can see which one is selected. Okay, now you need to create a calculation as well as sorted order. Now I'm using the case statement. Case, my parameter is selected when sales, then give me sum of sales, not sale forecast. I want sales. When profit, then discount is selected. So my parameter, I have my parameter selected sales, then sorted by the sales, my profit selected, then sorted by the profit and the average discount. Okay, created. Go to the subcategory, dimension tool, sort. Go to this nested. Go to your field and category and search your calculation, sort order. Here descending and keep on eye this chart. Keep on eye this. Okay, keep on eye this chart. So I have selected the sales. Sales is has been sorted. Select the profit. Profit is have been sorted, and I will select the discount. That's it. Discount is already. Okay, discount is not working. Let me check my calculation. Spelling mistake, I guess. Yes. Yeah. So make sure your spelling is correct, otherwise it won't give you the result as per your requirement. See, discount has been sorted, descending to ascending, sales, profit and discount. This is a very handy use case. You can give your end user functionality as he or she can select as per the requirement any of the chart. That's it from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.